Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm doing a video on my Web Eco Filter Plus. Behind me, it's an air filter from an HVAC system. It is over 5 years old. It has a lifetime warranty, and they're way underrated. I can tell you, they're way underrated. Efficient. They have a MERV value of 8. And what MERV value means, going to my trusty phone, make sure I get it right. It means minimum efficiency reporting value. And that's how many particulates go through your air handler to keep your air clean. It has an 8. You have like a 1 through 16. 16 would be like your hospitals and that kind of stuff. But being a MERV 8 means it's got high airflow and it makes your HVAC more efficient. Because if you have one like HEPA filters or them kind of sound like a 16 or get the Pet Dander and all stuff, it will end up burning your air handler up. Not enough air going to your ductwork, your air handler, your fan in there that circulates all the air through the house. So I'm going to show you through what it looks like, how to clean it out, all that good stuff. But it's a Web Eco Filter Plus. It's awesome. Paid $39 for it. Over 5 years ago, back in 2010, and it works great. So here I'm gonna give you a little, let you see what's going on with it. All right, here's the filter, and you see the date on it is October 1st, 2010, and it's a little dirty right now. We're gonna take the I'm going to use an air compressor to blow all the big heavy particulates off. It has an arrow which way the airflow is coming through, but it's not too bad. But it's just one of them days. I'm real particular about getting my air filters clean. There's a little buildup there. That's no biggie. But it's a nice air filter. It's adjustable. This is a 20 by 25. 20 inches wide, about 25 inches tall. It's how you measure them, and it's just 1 inch thick right here, 1 inch thick. All right, take this puppy out. I've got that heating system off right now. All right, sorry about that, y'all. One-handed, but it's a neat air filter. All right, look at this, 1 inch thick, and the airflow I got it marked. Plus it shows you right here on the actual tag. It's got Web Products Incorporated, but they are really awesome. They're way underrated. It's plastic, heavy-duty plastic, like an 8. It's 5 years old and it's tough as nails. And here's the other side of it. What you see is clean. That's the side is going into the air filter. I mean inside to the thing. This is the one that catches all the debris. This side does. So, alright, let's go do a video cleaning out and how to clean it out. All that good stuff. The Web Eco Filter Plus. I'll put a link on my video, but it is nice. Good stuff. And it's got drain holes. Over here, so the water, let it air dry. And I'll take the air compressor and I'll blow it out a little bit. But if you don't have an air compressor, just let it air dry and use a vacuum cleaner to get the heavy particulates off. Alright, it's a nice filter, y'all. Seriously, best $39 ever spent. And you can see the air. That's the light, and you can see through it. So you got good airflow going through there, like sort of like a keying-in high-performance air filter, like on your vehicle. Gives you plenty of airflow. That's what you want for your HVAC, your heat and air conditioning system. All right, well, let's get to business here. Here's another picture of what the another view of what it looks like. And here's your adjustment holes. I got the version that you can either go to 20 to 24 or to 20 to 25 by 1 inch. And there's your adjustment holes. If you really want to, you could take these off and take this out to really thoroughly clean it, but you don't have to do that. But anyway, I'm gonna blow her out, or either you can use a vacuum cleaner to suck all the heavy particulates off the front, or you can use an air compressor and blow it through here. This saved me a lot of money over years. Keeps the landfills clean. It's really a green product. Alright, it's got a lifetime warranty also. Alright. Okay. There she is. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna blow this puppy out. And like I say, this is the side that's got the particulates in it. So we're gonna blow from this side right here. You can see the dust, debris coming off. And if you want to get this stuff, just kind of do it at an angle. You won't blow it back up in there. Get them dust bunnies and all that kind of stuff on there. But and blow it again through this side. That's it. Now we're going to take it and wash it out. We'll get to that right now. Okay, over here. Gonna see me pretty good. What we're gonna do is take and put, this is simple green. It's real biological safe and antibacterial. Gets rid of everything. To clean it. This is just plain old Dawn with warm water. Mix with water. Dawn dishwashing detergent. We're gonna take the simple green. Hold it upright. This is the side facing outside of your furnace, or your heating system. This is the clean side, the air intake, opposite side. So we're just taking, spray some of that simple green on there. And don't take a whole lot. Then we'll take the Dawn dishwashing detergent, or dish detergent. And that stuff is great. It's safe for you, for your family, or for you breathe in your house. This catches all the pet dander, all that good stuff. About 5 years old. You figure the cheap ones are $1 a piece. It's $39 or $36 some places, and it's well worth the money. I think so. I've had it 5 years, so 5 years would be 60 months. So it's paid for itself in less than 3 years. Plus, you don't have all these big old paper dollar things, like a whole pack of them. It's wasting up space. Alright, now let's take the water hose. I'll just take and drench this a little bit. I'm going to lay it down and drench it. That'll do the foaming action. how soap does and all. And there we go. And I'll just keep cleaning up this way. This is the opposite. This is the clean side. And I'll just turn my water pressure up a little bit. Go up and down, side to side. Up and down. And over here, just kind of taking, not blow, kind of blow at the side on the water pressure. Just not blow directly in with the water. But now I'll do another thorough cleaning on it. That is it, y'all. That's a clean, ready to rock and roll air filter. Turn this water off. That's not getting cheap anymore. Nothing cheap anymore at all. Alright, we'll take her inside and we'll blow off with the air compressor and we'll let her sit still. Alright. Good thing I got this on this waterproof camera. Alright, what I'll do, I'll shake this puppy off pretty good. Shake dry. You know, I can see the conditions inside is foggy and hazy and rainy and about 57 degrees. Got my eye protection on because you know, using high air pressure, you want to make sure you got them on. Let's see the water coming out of there through the drain holes and such. All right. We'll glaze the front a little bit to the side. All right, now we'll take and blow the clean side out this way, the opposite the air direction. Like they're here, like say here, air is blowing to that. What is coming through this way? So you're gonna take and blow it the opposite side out. So same thing with the water hose. Side to side, side to side. Yep, side to side. This, yeah, I'm doing the wrong end. Sorry about that, y'all. Had a brain cramp. Up and down. That's it. All the water's out. Now what I'll do, this is the fun part, but look how clean that thing is. It is clean as heck. You can get 99% of everything off there, and it's clean. Alright. 10/1/2010. It's over 5 years old. And like I say, you look through it, you can see everything you need. You got a little, some debris still left on there. But like I say, 99% of it's off. But Very nice product. I reckon I've had it for 5 years and I wouldn't be making a video of it if I didn't like it. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to it next. I got that wood stove going right now. She is a toasty 500 degrees right now, and then some. But I'll take this air filter. Excuse me, sorry y'all. It's air filter, and the old wood stove right there. Y'all can see. This way we'll air dry quicker. Hey, sorry for that. Hey, smack me. But take his own chair right here next to the wood stove. Stick a drag in. And the drain holes. Let's see, you got a drain hole this end right here. You got a drain hole this end right here. Something like that. The chair will doesn't want to fit in there too good. It's alright. Problem fixed. We'll take the old comfy Coleman chair. Put that right over here. Extra wood stove. Bam. Now kind of material drop quick. So there we go. It is sitting in the chair and it's drying out, air drying. Of course it's cold outside and rainy. We ain't gonna do a whole lot of drying today. But anyway, that is my review on the Web EcoFilter Plus with a MERV rating of 8. And it does pet dander, all your stuff. And like I say, MERV stands for minimum efficiency reporting value of how many particulates can come in and out of your air filter, or come into your air filter. 1 is the lowest, 16 is the highest. Like 16, they use them like in hospitals, this and that. 8 is about the perfect for your home. Alright, but I'll post a video and post a web link, a link where I got this from. And they are awesome. And they're an American company, Web. They're out of Alabama. So, anyway, Web EcoFilter Plus. You can't go wrong. It's a good product. So, just gonna give you my thumbs up. I rated it a 5-star rating. It's rated a 5. 5 years old. It's still holding up strong. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. God bless. Y'all have a happy new year. Y'all take it easy now. Hoorah. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Whatever you want to do. But it's a great product. Alright, y'all. Y'all take it easy now. Alright. Bye-bye.